The countdown is on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So boys, we're here making a video. We're supposed to meet up here at 4. And it's 3:43. Look who just showed up. Who's that guy, Jeremy?
I think that's Hanny.
That's not Hanny. Like, if it was 5:43, I'd understand. But, like, 3:44 now? But, look, he's still trying to back off. It's so late. Alright, let's go to
Devin's
Walmart.
the only one with the Crocs.
Oh yeah, it's my flex, boys. This should work. Nobody.
It's a casserole dish, you lunatic.
A pie tin is like a circle. That's buddy. That's for making cake. Oh yeah, perfect.
So that's not a pie.
No, it's an angel
So,
fruit cake.
does anybody know how to make
Right.
one?
No,
I mean, of course we do.
Who goes out of their way to buy
We
pumpkin
should
pie?
roast
it's not like
some,
Starbucks.
Take it down.
yeah.
What are you spanking
Found the
there, buddy? Is that a pumpkin?
What else do we need?
I don't know. We're just winging it here. We have no idea
Yeah, we need
what we
whipped
need.
cream.
Do you need
We
pumpkin
don't-
spice
we
if
don't
you
need
have a
any.
pumpkin?
We need Crocs. We all need Crocs.
Just spray cream. We need the dough. We need the dough. Well, they call it pizza pie, so you should be able to. Use it, right?
Honestly, why not?
What is
Pie
that?
crusts.
Oh look,
Freaking idiots.
that's an actual. Oh, should we get that instead?
We've decided to go with the Gately just because it seems more appropriate.
Imagine we all bought Gucci Crocs.
How much are they?
Try them on.
I don't know. There was no price.
I'd say a couple bucks.
Boys, these are comfy as
To be fair, we're all taking a bite, no matter how it tastes, no matter what it
No,
looks like.
that's the punishment. The punishment.
He's taking a bite of this. Devin had the worst one, didn't he?
I'll do it. I don't even care.
Okay. Load.
roast. You gotta look this way too, you freaking lunatic. Devin, you're up, buddy.
No.
Buddy's got a croc fetish.
Yeah. Same clothes.
Oh.
What are you doing?
He's skinning
Well,
the
that's a spice.
Relax.
That smells good.
There you go, Devin.
Spray the pan. Hey, you gotta get in here, man. Alright, so
Devin
check this out.
necessities. Alright, so we've got
We all washed our hands, that's a given.
we've got a coating.
I forgot to do
here for a
mine,
sec.
so.
What?
Coating underneath of Jared's washing.
Wash your
hands
hair, Hanny. Wash your hands, buddy.
No way.
There, Jeremy. Wash your hands.
So we're actually not eating that.
We're eating this.
That's nasty. No, so nasty.
You hold the pumpkin, I'll shred. What is that?
Coca-Cola.
You don't put that in there.
Well, like, we're making, like, most pumpkin pies don't have seeds in them, but we're making a seed roux.
Cocoa.
Time for some more whipped cream. Salt. They have salt.
What was that?
Chop this up.
I've chopped this up in multiple small little pieces. Alright, smaller. There we go.
Yep.
B, turn on the oven. Make sure there's nothing in there, though. Wait just a sec, boys. Just
Wonder
a
if
sec.
this will taste like.
Just a sec, that's it.
It tastes great.
Hey, Dennis, you have this sticking through the dough. Like the dough's like this.
Oh, I got it. It's good.
Gotta hide the evidence.
You take a fork. That's sideways.
Here, let me spin it for you. So, the reason you poke holes in it like this is to let it breathe. Or else it'll be all bubbly.
Jared's snacking.
That's probably
He's shoveling. It's gotta break the seal, boys.
Somewhere.
This is gonna be so good.
Someone get the pepper.
Jared, do they bite?
Oh yeah, they do. Hot.
Is it hot?
Oh yeah. Trust.
Of course it's hot. It's not
Man.
hot enough.
Alright. So, they recommend 30 minutes to 7 minutes. Depending on your We'll see you in 30 minutes,
Your
boys.
editor, can you like fast forward this time here?
The countdown is on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 100% pie crust.
Looks beautiful.
It's a bit tender. Yeah, Devin's getting the first bite.
Yeah, fruiting that.
Oh, you forgot the whipped cream.
Wait.
Here you go, Devin.
So, oh,
Devin, you gotta take a bite.
That's a fresh
How do you even go about eating that? It's literally just still
Alright, don't
raw
use the knife to
pumpkin.
do that.
You gotta like.
Alright,
You gotta-
loser has to eat that. So who lost?
Devin lost.
Devin lost.
Not a chance.
We should all take a bite.
Alright.
I'll do this right here.
Is he doing it?
That's the grossest thing I've ever seen.
All right, I'm going for the top.
You did not bite that.
You didn't even get any whipped cream in there.
Here,
You have to get
open.
pumpkin.
Open.
Alright, boys, I gotta go.
Here, like this.
See you, boys.
Well, you gotta lick it.
Like and
Licking that?
subscribe.
What do you mean?
You know?
Here, we'll just do this.
You know what to do.
Thanks for showing up, Hanny? On time, and then leaves early.
Yeah, crust.
You can tell it's super raw.
Tastes like a pumpkin, so that's like the main thing.
Alright, I'm going for this piece right here. This fella. Ooh, is this pepper?
It was. And summer savory.
Ooh. Props to the chef. Not bad. Gotta say.
Take another bite.
Is it cooked well?
What do you mean, no?
It's actually pretty warm.
If you guys like this pie, subscribe. If you like the pie, click the like button. Leave a comment if you think you have a better pumpkin recipe, because I gotta say, I doubt it. I didn't try it, because I just know how good it's gonna be. So I'm gonna finish this when the video's off. And,